Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hokm. This engaging trick-taking card game is designed for 4 players, forming 2 partnerships. You'll use a standard 52 card deck. The primary goal for each round is to be the first team to win 7 tricks. Understanding these basic elements is key to starting your Hokm journey. Let's dive into the specifics of setting up and playing this exciting game. Next, let's understand the roles of the dealer and the Hokm. Initially, a dealer is chosen at random. This dealer then shuffles the 52 card deck and deals 5 cards to each of the 4 players. The player who receives the very first ace in this initial deal earns the crucial role of the Hokm. The Hokm's most important decision is to declare the trump suit for that entire round of play. Now, let's explore how tricks are played. The Hokm always initiates the action by leading the very first trick. Following this, all other players must follow suit if they possess a card of that suit. If a player cannot follow suit, they have the option to play a trump card or any other card. The trick is won by the highest trump played or by the highest card of the led suit if no trumps are played. Finally, let's discuss how to win a round and ultimately the entire game. The first team to successfully win 7 tricks within a round is declared the winner of that round. If the Hokm's team achieves this, they earn 1 point. However, if the opposing team manages to win 7 tricks, they are awarded 2 points. The overall game concludes when one team successfully accumulates a total of 7 points.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.